What's up guys, it's TJ with another crypto video, and today we're going to go ahead and talk about that Coinbase card. I've made a video for you guys. It's been 1 month. Like I told you guys, we said, hey, we're going to rock it all through August, see what happens. So this is a 1 month review of this Coinbase card. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, hey, real quick, if this is your first time visiting our channel, make sure you go ahead, you take a second and you hit the subscribe button, check that notification bell, and we're always posting tips and tricks on how to help the average person get ahead. Thankfully, I retired day before I turned age 28, and I'm always trying to make videos, tips and tricks to help out you guys. So make sure you subscribe. All right, let's dive into it. So this is what it looks like for the Coinbase app, 1 month of usage. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so I chose to earn all my rewards in XLM. That was the only option really that it gave me to earn rewards at the time. So I had XLM or Bitcoin, right? 1% on Bitcoin or 4% on XLM. So I went with XLM, and man, y'all check this out. $164.89 in 30 days. So just from choosing to use the Coinbase card, of course, we're paying everything with USDC, so there's no fees for any of the transactions. Make sure you guys don't forget, if you're using any other crypto, there are fees for that. So USDC, though, is free. So that's what we went with. So basically at the beginning of the month, I just load money onto the card and then boom. So 4% on every single transaction. So one perk to the Coinbase card is that it doesn't matter if you're doing like a touchless pay or if you're actually swiping the card. One thing I hated about the Apple card was that, yeah, I got 2% back on every transaction, but only if I was doing touchless payments. If I ever had to actually swipe my physical card, it was only 1%. So like half the places I went didn't have the wireless technology. So half the time I was only getting a 1% cashback rewards. So with the Coinbase card, if I'm at a gas station where I can't pay at the pump using just my phone and I have to pull out that card, boom, I still get 4%. And what's awesome is it's not like one of those credit cards that, you know, you have to use the points for paying for a flight or paying for a hotel, right? I can redeem this for anything I want, you know, gas, groceries, vacations. It's cash, right? So super excited about that. Loving the Coinbase card 1 month in. Just reloaded some stuff on here to get ready for September. And yeah, loving it so far. So let's see. There's a few things I couldn't use the Coinbase card on. It is technically a debit card, but I guess however the transactions work, there are a few things that I couldn't use it on. So on my Capital One app for like our car payments, it says I can use a debit card and just pay like a $3 fee to use the debit card. So I was like, sweet, pay $3. I'm gonna get like $16 back. But it didn't work. So I couldn't use it on car payments. I couldn't use it on the house payment, of course. So little things like that. Car insurance, I could have used it on, but they wanted me to pay like, if it's not gonna like auto draft out of a bank account, then my company wanted like to pay 2 months up front just to be able to use the debit card going forward. So I was like, it's not worth it. So I didn't do that. But those are the only three things really that I couldn't use it on. So, and then basically the way we have it set up, me and Jessica, you know, it works with Apple Pay, right? So, you know, you just put it in your wallet, and I put it on my phone. Jessica puts the same exact card on her phone, so we can both use the same exact card. It all comes out of that same account. So yeah, that's kind of how we're doing it. And then we have the physical card. We only have one of those, but we're pretty much always together. And then of course we have a backup card if for some reason we don't have the card with us. So I guess one thing, like if I wanted to think of like some feedback, you know, when you're using the Coinbase app and you're looking at your transactions, there's not a whole lot of like, I guess, data there. So, you know, maybe in the future, I'd like to see them add more stuff in, kind of like with my Apple card, right? I could look at a monthly statement. I could look at, you know, how much I spent in just that 1 week, right? So like all of that cool stuff where you can like filter through your statements or look at how much you spent in a month. Like if I wanted to go back 6 months ago and see something, I think all of that stuff, Coinbase has some work to kind of build all that interface in so that you can see, a holistic view of everything. Right now, it's basically just transactions, right? Just you can view everything, but it'd be a lot of scrolling if you wanted to go back a few months or something. So, maybe more stuff like that, kind of like you have like with your bank statement or so. Yeah, pretty stoked about it so far. Still excited for the Celsius card. I think that's going to trump pretty much anything out there when it comes out. And I'm excited to like all that money that's in my account. That's going to be my, that's basically my bank account. It's going to be earning interest the whole time when I'm, while I'm waiting to swipe that card. So I'm excited for the Celsius app. Q4, they're looking at, sometime before the end of the year, they're supposed to be launching that thing. So super excited about that. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, anything you guys want to see in the future. And yeah, that's about it. I guess we'll catch you guys in the next video.